Welcome back to another episode, guys. Now, today's a very exciting day because we've effectively set up the SDK entirely within our Unity build, which means we can actually start creating our blockchain assets and then look at integrating them into our game and then doing all sorts of fun stuff with that. So today's video will be focusing on creating and deploying our own token. Very exciting times. I know that when I started off, was probably the most anticipated topic for me to cover, was just to get my own token live. So let's not waste any time. Let's jump straight into Remix here, which unfortunately doesn't allow me to zoom in, which is kind of dumb, but I hope you guys can kind of see what's happening here. This is just a stock standard contract. It is called the Strange contract because our token is the Strange token. So the symbol being SDR, the name being Strange, and the contract being Strange contract. And it's fairly simple. It's just a fairly straightforward standard contract. Nothing special, nothing out of the ordinary. And you can effectively deploy this on any chain and network that you want to use. In my example though, because I'm on the Kronos testnet, which by the way, Kronos is sick. It's super quick for gaming. That's probably the main reason I use Kronos, but you can use Binance. I have used Binance. It really depends on what your preference is. For this tester or this example, I will be deploying this on the Kronos testnet. So let's go ahead and deploy our Strange contract. We should see the transaction pop up here. Sure enough, it's right there. Not too expensive to deploy either, which is great. We'll just let that do its thing though. There we go. So we've got a Strange contract right there with all our read and write methods. We'll get into the whole read and write bit of it a bit later on. But for now, we actually have deployed our own token and we are the owner of that token. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video.